J, J, J. Look at me.
I'm the 10th letter.
Can't you see?
Big J, small J.
Fun and bright.
Let's learn the letter J tonight.
J is for juice.
Drink it up
J is for jelly.
in a cup.
J is for jet.
Flying high.
Letter J waves hello, hi, hi.
Write big J.
Curve it down.
Write small J.
Add the dot now.
Practice J.
Every day.
You will learn the letter J.